Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about some option buying and selling order options. Okay, so I am going to discuss how we can take advantage of those options. So this is the Binance interference. Okay, so if we move our cursor in trade option, then those are the options available for trading. Okay, so this is classic mode and this is advanced mode. Those mode are look like that. This is class classic mode. Okay, and this is advanced mode. So you can see the interference, and the question is how can we use those order option. This is limit order option. Okay, so let's assume I want to buy this promotion coin around $2.65. Then I can set the price at which price I want to buy. Then I can set what amount USDT I want to buy that coin. Like I want to buy $20. This is the demo account of my friends I am using to give you an idea about those interference. So if I click on buy down, then this order will be placed. Okay, and the question is how can you select any pair. There is so much option available, like BNB pair, BTC pair, or some alts pair, and this is fiat option, USDT, USD. This is the option available. Whatever you want to select, you can select here, and then you can start your trading. Now after limit order, this is called market order. Market order is very simple things. You don't have to set any type of price, I mean buying or selling price. You just have to input what amount you want to buy in USDT or BTC, whatever you use. Because market orders mean whatever current market rate is going on, your buying or selling will be executed as per that rate. Okay, now here comes some moderate option. This is called stop limit option. Okay, so I want to give you an idea that what is this. Now what is a stop limit order? A stop limit order is a market order that has both a stop price and a limit price. When the stop price is reached, it triggers the limit order. Okay, you can read that article so that you can get an idea regarding that, and there you go. Read it carefully so that you understand what it means. Look at that, the last traded price. That's a work example. Okay, let's assume last traded price of BNB is around 498 USD. Okay, so maybe we assume that there is a resistance around 500 USD. So what can I do? I can put a stop limit order to automatically buy more BNB at a price of 502 or 501 USD. Means whenever resistance level will break, then my order will be automatically executed like that. Okay, here you go. So in stop I use 500 USD, and in limit I use 502 USD. An amount whatever you can want to select, you can select. That's not the matter. So that's mean whenever BNB price will break the resistance around 500 USD, and when it touch around 502 USD, then my buying order will be executed easily. So I don't have to watch out market all the day to execute that order, because when resistance level will break, all of us know that it can pump. So I want to confirm that it will break the resistance level, then I will buy that. That is why I use stop limit option. Same way I can use for selling. Sorry, that is a very effective option. Now one of the most advanced option I want to show you. There you go. OCO. This is one of the new addition of order, which is very much important in terms of trading. Okay, so what is OCO? And one cancels the other order, combines two market orders, where if one is fully or partially fulfilled, the other is cancelled. That's very much easy thing. Now for example, you will understand what that means. I mean, this is a combination of stop limit order and limit order. Okay, so now let's assume BNB is trading between 510 USD and its resistance price is 540 USD. Okay, so you would like to buy if the price drops to 500 USD or rises above 540 USD. Okay, so if you know the support level and the resistance level, then you can use this order. Listen once again very carefully what I tell you, that when you know the support level and when you know the resistance level, you can use this order. It's a moderate option and it is very much helpful for that situation, because maybe support level is for BNB 500 USD for an example, and the resistance level is 540 USD. Then you can use that order. You can create an OCO order with a limit order of 500 USD and stop limit order with a stop price of 540 USD. You can then set that stop limit order's limit option price to 550 USD. So the order will likely be filled. That's when whenever if BNB price is hitting 500 USD, then your buy order will be executed. And on the other hand, if BNB price crossed 540 resistance level and then it hit 550 USD, then the order will be executed. In both sides, you can execute your order by using this option. Okay, for let example, you can set it like that. Okay, the price you can set 500 USD, stop price 540 and limit price 550. In that way, you can easily buy any coin whenever you know at which price you want to buy it. You don't have to wait for that price to come. You can easily set that and take other trade. Okay, it is very much helpful option. Hope you understand. It will very much helpful. Look like that. Now in this chart, as the example, small support level is around 2.5791. Okay, so I am going to buy it, and the resistance level is around 2.8650. Okay, so 2.57 support level and 89 resistance level. How can I set that? So I want to buy if the price touch support level. So I am going to set it 2.57 and I am going to use stop price 2.89 and limit price 2.99 and set, let assume $100. Keep on buying. So my order will be executed whenever price will reach there. Hope you can understand those options. How can you use those advanced options for your trading so that you can save your time, not only save your time but also you can take advantage of those support and resistance level and you will trade and earn good amount of profit. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks. Have a nice day.